Alright y'all, so let's jump right into this hair install. We are about to get ready for New Year's Eve. So I have a new wig, of course. I mean, we can't go into the new year without a new wig. I mean, come on now. So you guys, this wig is from Outre. This is their, and you guys, this was a wig off the mannequin. That's why my packaging looks like this. So this is the Outre melted hairline lace front wig Rosalia. I want to say I have Rosalia already in another color. I'm going to really double check because I feel like I already have her in another color, and this was the color that I wanted her in and I didn't get it originally. So I'm gonna insert a card because I think I've already had this wig, but just not this color. But we gonna see. We're just going to go ahead and get into the unboxing of Miss Rosalia. And here is a close-up, you guys, of the stock card. She does come in a variety of colors. You have Natural Honey, DR Chocolate Swirl, California Blonde, Cherry Rush, Golden Ginger, Orange Flame. And these are the pictures of the other colors that she does come in. I did pick her up in the color DRFF Golden Ginger. She is 16 inches, like a loose body wave curl, and a lace front wig. And again, y'all, I did get her off the mannequin at the beauty supply store, so that's why we don't have like any other packaging with her. She isn't brushed out too much, which is okay for me. I did want like a nice loose effortless curl look today. So let's go ahead and get into the construction of Miss Rosalia. So she is a lace front wig, so we do got lace from ear to ear, and she does have a lace part. And we have a decent amount of lace in the front section as well. And there is a pre-plucked hairline on this unit too, and they did give us some pre-made baby hairs. She also has two combs right here by the temples, a comb at the nape section, as well as adjustable straps. And she also comes with an elastic band. Y'all, this is my favorite part about the Outre Melted Hairline series, like the elastic bands, because you can really make these wigs glueless. And tonight we are doing a glueless install. I ain't got time to be sitting here trying to lay all day, so we are going to go ahead and just get into the install. And here is a close-up, you guys, of the color. Again, she's a golden ginger. So it stuck out to me because of these beautiful golden highlights. You guys, these are going to be so pretty to frame the face, and then it's ginger throughout, just different ginger highlights. So I think this is going to look really pretty with the dress that I'm going to be wearing tonight. So we gonna see how it comes together. So let's go ahead and get Miss Rosalia installed.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now, show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want, all of your love.
Alright y'all, so here are the final results of Miss Rosalia in this DRF2 copper. You guys, I am loving her, okay? She's a 10 out of 10, baby. The lace was so easy to blend and melt into my skin. Like, oh my gosh, you cannot tell me this isn't my hair right now. Like, this looks amazing. Like, it looks amazing. I'm just super duper excited that it came out so beautifully. Like, the whole look came all the way together, you guys. So definitely make sure you check out the makeup look on this as well. But you guys, I definitely would suggest adding this color with this unit. Like, it just hits so much differently. And I do believe I have also this wig in another color, so I will link that other video to this one as well. But you guys, here are the final results, and I am just loving her. Alright y'all, so that is all that I have for this hair review slash install of the Outre Melted Hairline Wig Rosalia. I hope that you guys really did enjoy this video and learn something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your beauty bestie so we all can look fabulous together, and you guys already know what to do. Remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin', and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!